you're spending every day on your own. And here it goes, I'm just a kid.
Get your dog ready for a walk and then act like you forgot them.
Okay, this is Kylo's audition to be on a Spanish drama. Dios mío, Kylo. Yeah.
See, the scary thing about that video, I thought that was a damn cheetah. That was a lion. Did you see how that was covering ground? They're estimated to run about 50 miles per hour. Cheetah's about 60 to 80. That's 30 more miles per hour. You ain't no point running. You might as well save your energy so you can scream. Hopefully a damn hippo with a soft heart for humans hear you. Otherwise, you dead. You dead.
Only one predator that could ever catch that dog. Sticks are very rare, so when a dog finds one, the other ones come out to hunt him down. Literally no other sticks around. And the other dog has no idea this is happening. Literally no idea. These hunts can take sometimes a long time, so long that the other dog starts to come to.
These domesticated foxes are the result of a Russian experiment that's been going on since 1959. It was designed to replicate the process that turned wolves to dogs, and I think the results are more interesting than anybody could have expected. Only the most tame foxes in each generation were allowed to breed. The theory was that all domesticated species had been selected for a single criterion: tameness. They began with 30 male foxes and 100 vixens and only allowed a tiny portion of the offspring to breed. The fourth generation was already starting to live up to researchers' hopes. After 8 to 10 generations, they were starting to develop particolor coats. Then they started to develop floppy ears and rolled tails like some breeds of dogs. After 15 to 20 generations, they had shorter tails, legs, and higher levels of serotonin in their brains. After 40 generations, they had produced friendly domesticated foxes that had behavioral and anatomical characteristics not found in wild populations. They had also lost their musky fox smell. The program's current director, Ludmilla Trett, wrote that after 40 years and the breeding of 45,000 foxes, a group of animals had emerged that are as tame and eager to please as a dog.
Olive's getting spayed with her cousin today. He's over there now. Alright, you guys, just a quick update on Lucas since we had some people who are concerned that something was wrong with him. He's fine. He just got neutered. The vets encourage you to talk to them. Luca. Ask them if they want to go for rides to Taco Bell. Offer them treats, that sort of thing. As you can see, the treats didn't work. I don't even think he knew it was in his mouth. It just takes him a bit to come out of the anesthesia, but he is happy, healthy, and he got to go to Taco Bell afterward.
I'm about to do the impossible and make you like geese. Geese are naturally overprotective and not just of other geese. If you raise a goose on a farm with no other geese, it'll probably form a strong bond with another animal and then be their bodyguard, which is how these type of friendships happen. Geese also imprint, meaning they emotionally bond with the first moving object they see hours after they hatch. If you're the first thing a goslin sees, it'll look up to you as a parental figure, follow you around, and even mimic your behaviors. Geese are one of the most loyal birds on the planet, with most geese having a divorce rate of less than 5%. The more experience a couple has together, the better they are at raising chicks, so their loyalty is rewarded by a higher survival rate for their children. There are goose nannies. First-time parents will let older members of the flock babysit their children. By having the most experienced goose play daycare, the chicks have a better chance of survival, and this goose nanny can end up looking after 50 babies while the parents go do geese things, I guess. Remember how I said geese are super protective? This goose saved an abandoned puppy freezing to death on the street by wrapping its wings around it. It saw a helpless animal and its maternal instincts just took over.
George, you got a gift. Whoa. George, you got a gift. What's in there? What is it, George? What's in there? What is that? Ooh, oh, George, it's a dried fruit? Mmm. Yum, that's what I'm talking about. What'd you find, a pimple? George, did you get it? It's just so exciting. Ow! George! Oh my gosh.
So I just went live for the first time and got disconnected, saying that I've broken multiple community guidelines. What am I doing? I hope no one thinks it's like animal cruelty or anything, because he obviously loves it. It's pretty weird. Finally hit 1,000, and I go live to thank you guys, and so now I gotta appeal it.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you?
Kiss your dog on the head and record their reaction.
Cap, you got that hand line ready?
Yeah, it's all ready.
This is our bait, massive bait. We're gonna drop it down right now. Let's hand line a big fish.
Here, just put it down like 20 feet. Let me like...
Hold on, you just dropped it. You got it.
Here, we just had to fall. Here, Mike. It's a monster.
It's a monster.
Hold on, Mike.
I don't want to go saltwater fishing anymore.
Dude, that thing is so big. That thing is so big, Mike. Mike. It's giant. Mike, wait till you see it. Dude.
Oh my gosh! No, you're good.
You're floating.
You're good. No.
My friend. 消えたか、雑念は。
Thank you so much, best friend!
Alright, we're in neutral. We're in reverse. That was a bad idea! Get on the boat! Ryder! Oh, I touched it! Holy fuck! Get on the boat! Oh, dude, that's not a basking shark, dude. What? Ryder.
So Wally is a herding dog, and now I've learned that he wants me on this grate. If I leave the grate, he gets really mad and he wants me back on the grate. I can leave the grate, and he puts me back on the grate. Leave the grate. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm on the grate.
Hey, yo, buddy, can I have some of that premium pizza crust, fool?
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Gary, help me! Come here and help him right now. He's hanging himself.
No, he's holding on.
He wants to commit suicide.
Oh, he might be trying to.
Gary, get him. He hates his life. Save him.
He wouldn't be able to, his head wouldn't be able to hold on like that.
He's trying to kill himself.
Yeah, he hates his life. He's a hamster with no wheel.
Yeah, he wants his wheel.
Okay,
He needs a bigger...
Bruh, you looking real sussy over there. Did you take the Fortnite card from me, bruh? I'm gonna need that Fortnite card back. But you're sussy and I'm coming to get it.
Wholesome animal facts that you'll be glad you knew. Cheetahs suffer from so much anxiety that it makes it hard for them to breed in zoos, which is why they have emotional support dogs. The naturally shy big cats actually see the dogs as role models and will model their behavior after them. The result are cheetahs that are confident enough to mate with other cheetahs. And once again, the world does not deserve dogs. Gentoo penguin will propose with pebbles. Males will spend hours searching for the smoothest, most visually appealing pebble to present to the female. If she accepts, the female will place the pebble in her nest and they'll mate for life. Women really out here demanding Birkin bags and diamond rings when a pebble is all it takes. Every cow has a designated best friend, and with his best friend, his heart rate will decrease and so will its stress level. Mother dolphins will sing to their babies while they're still in the womb. Her whistle is like a name and it allows the baby dolphin to recognize her mother's voice as soon as it's born. Elephants have baby showers. When an elephant's born, the other females in the social group will trumpet in celebration. Goats have accents, but they'll change their accent if they're around a different group of goats. Goats really out here code switching like that one kid in high school that always hangs around another group of kids in high school. I ain't say anything about race, but y'all know what I mean.
Here's what another daily routine looks like for all the baby tortoises, and today is their feeding day. To first start off, we gave them a nice soak for about 15 to 20 minutes, which I do every day. They also soak under the sun so they can absorb all the UV rays from the sun itself and grow a nice and round shell. We're also going to give them a few flowers while they're soaking just to keep things a little fun. I like to feed the babies once every 3 days, and I'll change up the greens from time to time, but right now they're eating on some green leaf lettuce, and I also put some of the ZooMed tortoise calcium on their food so they can get everything they need as babies. Once they wrapped up their day, they all headed to bed, but it's gonna get pretty cold tonight, so we're gonna have to bring them inside.
What the fuck? Hi. Are you friendly? What the fuck? Are you a wolf? Hi. Mr. California Wolf? What the hell? Where the hell? Where'd you come from?